November 8th, 2018. It's a date that's ingrained in the memory of all Butte County residents. One 24-hour period changed our area forever. The campfire that morning overtook the towns of Paradise, Concow, Magalia, and the Butte Creek Canyon area. The campfire was the deadliest and most destructive wildfire in California history. 85 people died. Nearly 14,000 homes burned. An estimated 56,000 people were evacuated. It was a $16.5 billion disaster. We are still recovering 4 years later. With a disaster of that magnitude, we needed outside help, a lot of it. The California Community Foundation stepped up. Thanks to your help, we were able to raise more than $70 million. We have deployed more than $58 million so far through hundreds of grants to hundreds of organizations for relief and recovery projects. That doesn't happen without your support.
Following the 2018 campfire, the North Valley Community Foundation became the philanthropic hub for the recovery efforts in our community. We had to scale to meet the challenges that we knew we were going to be facing for the years to come. The California Community Foundation invested in our operational support so that we could build the capacity amongst our team to meet the challenges that we knew were going to be ahead. You trusted us, you believed in us, and you supported us all along the way.
We here at North Valley Community Foundation are so grateful to the California Community Foundation. The investment they made in our communities made essential studies possible post-campfire that couldn't have happened any other way. Both the campfire housing study and the economic impacts report were critical pieces that helped our region develop a roadmap to recovery. Early on, these studies were identified as key pieces that were needed to capture data, tell the story of the campfire, as well as providing critical recommendations to help our region recover. One of the key ways we benefited from these studies was in making sure that vulnerable populations were represented, their needs assessed, and brought to the forefront.
Because of trauma from the aftermath of the fire, we started a wellness initiative called Thrive.
As we reflect on the past few years, we have all seen and experienced the impact of community trauma. Repeated wildfires and a global pandemic that has lasted over 2.5 years has made an impact that we are all seeing in the hearts, minds, and emotions of the youth and families in our community. To better understand the impact this has had on the youth in our community, we worked side by side with young people to facilitate nearly 20 focus groups across the county. And what we heard was clear. 76% of young people know someone who's struggling. They want to know what to say and what to look for in a young person who is struggling, and they want caring adults to take the time to really understand what they are going through. In response, we created the End the Silence Youth Mental Health and Suicide Prevention Summit and Media Campaign, providing the opportunity to increase understanding, engage youth in meaningful dialogue, and create solutions. Lastly, in response to a series of tragic suicides in our community, we developed the CARE team, an innovative and successful response system that supports suicidal youth and their families during some of the most challenging and hopeless times.
Because of ongoing disasters like the campfire, we developed a program to support emerging leaders.
Taking the lessons that we've learned from the campfire, we have built a leadership program based on collaboration, trust, and inclusion. Our LEAD program brings together emerging community leaders to look at the challenges and gaps that exist in our community now and into the future, and provide skills and practices that help our emerging leaders meet the challenges that our community will face in the years to come.
Thank you, California Community Foundation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, California Community Foundation.